Artificial intelligence is everywhere. Tools like ChatGPT are now processing massive amounts of data, writing software, and solving complex problems in seconds. But these systems have a physical limit. An AI can think, but it doesn't have a bank account. It can't pay for its own electricity, it can't buy more server space, and it can't independently trade value with other programs. The NEAR protocol is a blockchain project positioning itself to be that missing link. It wants to provide the financial infrastructure that allows AI models to spend and earn money without a human middleman. Solving this bottleneck means building the economic rails that the next generation of software will run on. To understand how this works, we have to look at what's called a Layer 1 blockchain. A Layer 1 is like an independent digital city. It has its own power grid, its own roads, and its own set of local laws. While many crypto projects rent space in an existing metropolis, like Ethereum, the NEAR protocol built its own custom city from the ground up to be more efficient. The project's co-founder, Illia Polosukhin, actually helped invent the transformer model. That is the specific breakthrough in computer science that makes ChatGPT and modern AI possible in the first place. Because it was built by a pioneer in the field, the network was designed with the speed and data requirements of artificial intelligence in mind. Inside this digital city, the economy is measured by the value of its native currency, the NEAR token. Currently, the total value of all these tokens is approximately $2.8 billion. This chart shows the supply. There are 1.3 billion tokens in existence, almost all already in the market being used. This matters because there aren't massive hidden stashes owned by founders that could be suddenly sold, crashing the price. The network also uses a 30% rule. Every time someone pays a network fee, 30% of that fee is automatically sent to the developers, the people who build the automated programs that make the city run. Think of this like a city that gives a permanent tax break to its architects. It gives them a constant financial reason to keep building and improving the infrastructure. This setup aims for a balanced economy, a stable supply for investors, and a guaranteed income for the people expanding the network. To see what this is worth today, we have to look at the current price of a single NEAR token. Today, a token costs about $2.17, much lower than its $20 peak in early 2022. But look at the chart's edge. We're seeing a 50% surge in just 1 week, driven by growing AI interest and major investors. Outside of the tech world, global news is also playing a role. Discussions of a peace deal between the US and Iran have created a wave of fresh buying across the crypto market. Even though it's still down from its peak, the momentum is moving toward the $3 mark, a price that has acted like a ceiling for the token in the past. Before making any decisions, we need to look at the long-term risks and the potential rewards. On the positive side, institutional investors are paying attention. The firm Grayscale has filed to create a spot ETF. This is a regulated fund that would allow anyone to buy NEAR through a standard brokerage account, just like a regular stock. However, there is a risk. Unlike Bitcoin, NEAR doesn't have a fixed limit on how many tokens can ever be created. This means the supply can grow over time, which can act as a slow drag on the price. There is also competition. NEAR is a newer city, growing while established digital giants like Ethereum and Solana are already very well defended. While the competition is tough, NEAR has a specific advantage. Because its founder helped build the foundations of modern AI, the network is uniquely positioned for that specific market. Overall, NEAR is a credible piece of digital infrastructure with significant momentum behind it. You can find it on major exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, or on Rough Finance, which is a trading platform owned and run by its users. This is not financial advice. Crypto is volatile, so please do your own thorough research before putting your money into any project. What is your price target for NEAR? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and